All right, so if you have a garage door that's squeaking, you're going to first undo this latch. So just pull it down. And now you can move the door up and down just manually. So you're just going to pull it down. And from there, you need to lubricate each of the joints. All right, if your garage is squeaking, you actually need to add some lube to these areas on your door. You can see I've already sprayed it on some. So what you need is this garage door pro lube, which is a lubricant. So you're basically lubricating the dry areas of your door. So to spray it, you're just going to shake it and then try to get it in each of these joints, in these areas. Just go with the light spray in each of the areas where you have joints. Let it sit. And then when you open and close your door, the sound should be gone.